In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right subscription plan Systeme.io. If you're trying to decide which Systeme.io plan makes the most sense for your business, the good news is that the right choice really depends on where you are right now and how you plan to grow. Instead of overpaying for features you don't need, it's smarter to match the plan to your current stage. Let's start with the free plan. This plan costs $0 per month and it's ideal for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone launching their very first digital product. What makes it especially appealing is that it's not just a trial, it's free forever. With this plan, you can host one online course, build one blog, create one automation rule, and collect up to 2,000 subscribers. If you have no budget yet and simply want to test an idea, create a basic landing page, and start building an email list, this is the perfect place to begin. Next is the startup plan at $17 per month. This one is best for growing creators and small businesses that are ready to scale their marketing a bit more seriously. It increases your contact limit to 5,000 and allows you to build 10 different sales funnels. You also get more flexibility behind the scenes with up to 10 automation rules and 10 tags, which helps you organize your audience more effectively. This is the right plan to choose when you go beyond 2,000 email subscribers, need more than a few funnels, or want to manage multiple offers and lead magnets with separate email sequences. Then there's the webinar plan at $47 per month. This plan is especially useful for course creators, coaches, and marketers who rely on automated selling. Its biggest feature is evergreen webinars, which lets you create up to 10 automated webinars that can run on autopilot and sell your products for you. It also expands your limits to 10,000 contacts, 50 funnels, and 20 online courses. If webinars are a key part of your sales strategy or your list has grown past 5,000 contacts, this is likely the best fit. Finally, the unlimited plan at $97 per month is designed for established businesses, agencies, and high-volume sellers. This plan removes the limits entirely. You get unlimited contacts, funnels, courses, and custom domains. It also includes one-on-one kickstart coaching and free business migration, which means their team can move your existing business over from another platform for you. If your email list is over 10,000 subscribers, or you manage multiple client funnels and websites, this is the plan to choose. One final tip, if you already know you're committed long-term, annual billing can save you about 17%, which is roughly like getting 2 months free. On top of that, annual plans also include free migration support, making the transition much easier.